Namaste, I am Neeta, CEO of Rudra Center. We have been into Rudraksha therapy and export of religious items since the past 12 years. We have recently moved into our corporate head office, and for this we have engaged the services of Prit Designers. Working with Prit Designers has been a wonderful experience. I approached Pritesh initially with caution because of previously not so good experience with other designers, but I was pleasantly surprised to see his professional attitude and that he cared about the aesthetic beauty and planning more than me and did not hesitate to redo several plans and browse many options till we found the perfect one suiting the designer in him and a client like me. My office that he has designed in Neelkant Business Park is very sturdy, comfortable, functional and really beautiful. Pritesh's knowledge of latest materials and designs and his excellent resources for furniture, fabrics, laminate, art and pictures combined to give us just the look we desired. His planning, organization and control ensured that no material was wasted and also that the laborers and contractors delivered their maximum and the project was completed in time. Pritesh has a knack of finding the perfect piece to complete the decor, and our office now boasts of several artifacts which are tasteful and elegant. I would like to compliment Pritesh on his level-headedness in certain situations, because in spite of all my Rudraksha I lost my cool, but he handled the situation with a lot of composure and effective communication. He responds really fast, listens to what he says, and listens to what you have to say and gets engaged. For my new Wadala office, I have just given the project entirely to him because I know it is in safe hands. We are shortly launching a chain of 100 franchisee stores across India and abroad. And I have signed a contract of exclusivity with Pritesh Designers. I would highly recommend them for a project which is of high-end level for residential as well as commercial. Thank you so much.